Estimating questions. First problem. Estimate the value of 2992 divided by 38. What is mean by estimation? Estimation means round off. Round off. Whatever the number is given, we have to round off the value and we have to divide it. Okay, so we have to round off the value, then we have to divide it. Here 2992 is the dividend and 38 is the divisor. Okay, here in 38 how many places are there? Ones and tens. Which is the highest place? Tens is the highest place. So we have to round off to tens place. We have to round off to nearest tens place. So if we are going to round off to nearest tens place, we have to underline the highest place, tens place. We have to underline the highest place, tens place, and we have to circle the next place, next immediate place, that is 8. 8 is a strong number or weak number? 8 is a strong number or weak number? It is a strong number. Strong number means it gets power as plus 1. Strong number means it gets the power as plus 1. So this 8 gives power plus 1 to tens place. So 3 becomes 4 by adding 1. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Okay. After 8 gives power to tens place, 8 loses its power. The power of 8 goes down. So this becomes 0. So 3 becomes 4 after it gets power from 8. Then 8 loses its power after giving 1 to highest place. So 8 becomes 0. So we get the answer as 4 and 0, 40. 40. This is the round off value for 38. This is the easy method to round off the given number. 2992 should be divided by 40 because we rounded 38 as 40. So we have to divide 2992 by 40. Can we divide this value by 40 before rounding off the given number 2992? No. We have to round off this number also. How we have to round off this number? According to the divisor 40, round off value 40, we have to round off this number. Okay. So we have to think about multiplication table of 40. Multiplication table of 40. Can you say multiplication values of 40? Yes, I will say 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 40 is 120. 120 plus 40 is 160. 160 plus 40 is 200. 200 plus 40 is 240. 240 plus 40 is 280. 280 plus 40 is 320. It goes on like this, right? You think about, if it goes on continuously, then what we will get instead of 2000, instead of 240, we will get 2400. If we go on multiplying with 40, if we continue 40 further, continue pannittu poite irundom appadina, we will get, instead of 240 we will get 2400. Instead of 280 we will get 2800. Instead of 320 we will get 3200 if it goes on continuing by using multiplication table 40. Okay, now we have to check this number. Okay, this number should comes over here. Inge engeyavudhu vandudha appdin check pananum. So 2992, consider first two digit number 29. Thousands place and hundreds place, we have 29. 29 lies between 2800 and 3200. Here it lies. 2992 lies between 2800 and 3200. Between these two, which is nearest to 2992? This number is nearest or this number is nearest? You have to check. 2992 is nearest to 2800 than 3200. 2992 2800 க்கு தான் ரொம்ப nearest compared to 3200 compared to 3200. ஏன்னா இங்க 29 இருக்கு. 29 க்கு முன்னாடி 28 வந்துரும். But after 29 we get 30, 31 then 32. So 3 numbers தாண்டி வரணும். அப்பதான் 3200 வரும். So we have to consider 2800 is nearest to 2992. So we have to take this number as round off number for 2992. Okay. So instead of 2992 we have to take, instead of 2992 we have to take 2800. So we have to take it like this. Now we have to simplify it. 2992 is rounded to 2800 and 38 is rounded to 40. Now we can cancel zeros. In 40 we have only one zero, so we can cancel one zero on both sides. Now we get the answer as 280 divided by 4. Can we get 28 by using 4 table? Yes, how many times we will get 28 by using 4 table? 7 4s are 28. So 7 times 28, 7 4s are 28. Then we will have 0 extra, so we have to add with this. So 70 into 4, 70 into 4 is 280. So we get the answer as 70. Okay. We can do normal division also. 280 divided by 4. 7 times we get 28. 7 4s are 28. If you subtract it, then we will get the remainder as 0. So if we get the 0, we no need to continue further. Here in dividend we have one more 0. We have one more 0. So we have to include this 0 in quotient place on right side. So this is the quotient. This is the quotient. Okay. In Let's Do part we have 3 problems, A, B and C. In these 3 problems we are going to see B problem right now. 2205 divided by 34. In 2205 dividend we have 4 digits. In 34 we have 2 digits. So we have to consider minimum number of digits first. 34. In 34 which is the highest place? Tens place is the highest place. So we have to underline it. Tens place, this is ones place. Tens place is the highest place, so we have to underline it and we have to circle next place as ones place. Here 4 is there. 4 is a weak number. 4 is a weak number, so it won't give any power to any other number. 4 is a weak number, so 4 don't have power. So 4 becomes 0. So 4, even being 4 as a weak number, so it won't give any power to the next place. So 3 remains same. 3 அப்படியே தான் வரும். So 4 becomes 0 because 4 is a weak number. Weak number won't give power to any other number, so 3 remains same. So 34 is rounded to 30. Now according to the round off value 30, we have to round off the number which is given in the dividend. 2205. 2205. We have to round off this number according to 30. We have to use 30 table. Okay. So think about 30 table. 30 plus 30 is 60. Multiples of 30. Then 90. Then 120. Then 150. 150 plus 30 is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210. 200 plus 30 is 240. It goes on continuous like this. So think about here, if we extend this continuation, then we will get 2100, 2400, etc. Why I am considering this number, this two number means because the given number is in thousands place, 22, that means 2205. 2200 means 2200 lies between 2100 and 2400. So 2200 lies between 2100 and 2400. That's why I am considering these two numbers. If we extend the multiples of 30, then we will get this form, and it also goes on continuing. But we need the value which lies before 2205 and after 2205. So this value lies between 2100 and 2400 from multiples of 30. Okay. So from these two numbers, which is nearest to 2200? Before 2200 we will get 2100, and after 2200 we have 2300 and 3400. So two numbers. After 2200 we have two numbers. After that, before 2200 we have only one number, 2100. So 2205 is nearest to 2100. Okay, this number is nearest to 2100. So the round off value for 2205 is 2100. So we have to consider 2100 only. Okay, and instead of 34 we have to write as 30. Now we have to cancel zeros. How many zeros we have to cancel? In divisor we have only one zero, so we have to cancel one zero on both sides. Okay, now divide 210 by 30. How many times we will get 21? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So this also cancel. Here we have only one zero, so we have to include one zero over here. So 70 into 3 is 210. 70 into 3 is 210. So we got the answer as 70 by dividing 210 by 30. Finally, after approximating this value, then we have to divide it. After division we get the answer as 70. So this is the answer for this problem. Okay children. Thank you my dear cuties.